The 2020-21 school year has been a year like no other.
We started the year virtual and came back to a brand new campus.
The most fun part of being at Jubilee is being able to make new friends and growing closer to my friends that came to Jubilee with me.
My favorite thing about Jubilee is that I can learn in a safe environment with people I like.
The thing I missed most about distance learning was the social interaction, because being on the screen is very different from talking to someone face to face.
The thing that I missed the most during distance learning was being on the sports teams and competing against other teams.
I miss seeing everyone because I was sitting at my desk all day during distance learning.
Before coming back to campus, I was a little nervous because I haven't been to school in a year. But then after the first day, it was pretty simple.
I felt amazing and excited to see all my friends.
It felt nice to see everybody, especially from staying in quarantine for 15 months.
Being on the new campus is great. It's because we have a better and bigger campus for all our school.
I know this campus and I've been here for 5 years. So it's really nice being on here, but it's also a different feel because I have new teachers and new classmates. So it's a really nice thing to just be here for my last year.
Teacher that has impacted me the most is Mr. Q, because he has brought me closer to God with different assignments and projects.
The favorite thing that Mr. Q taught me in Bible was the exegesis paper. In history, it was probably the Renaissance, because it's good because all the smart people.
I'll say the best thing was the Renaissance, because there's the different paintings, and it's cool how even in their modern time they went back to the old culture that they've seen.
Mr. Q has taught me how to grow closer to God.
Probably what the real definition of love and how it's confused and what it truly is.
Ms. Curious was the narrative poems, because of how I learned how to write good poems. Before, I didn't know how to rhyme or do anything.
Miss Curious about writing the narrative poem.
Miss Curious has taught me how to properly write an essay in MLA format.
I liked writing the narrative poem. That was pretty fun.
Miss Yim has taught me all the hard math so I can be ready for high school.
What I learned in Miss Yim's class was pi, because ever since I found out what pi was, I was like, I want to know how to do that. But now I actually know how to do and use that in equations.
Math is probably surveys, because I like asking people questions.
Probably surveys because I like talking to people.
What I like about Senora Martinez is that whenever you need help with something, she'll help you in a patient way.
Senorita Rodriguez has taught me proper Spanish.
Destinos helps us get used to Spanish language and culture and learn more about it.
¿Qué haces aquí?
Para ti tengo malas noticias.
¿Qué pasa?
Es papá. Está muy mal.
I think Coach Quinn is a really nice person, especially a great PE coach.
My favorite thing about PE is, I guess, playing the different games that we have as warm-up, and then different sports like volleyball or basketball or soccer.
I love the games that we do for PE. They're fun, and the exercising part is really fun and it's just amazing.
My favorite project that we have done this year is the mousetrap cars, because it lets us show our creative side, and it is fun.
I enjoyed the mousetrap project because finding out how a car works, and that's what I enjoyed about it, and I'm enjoying about it right now.